What's going on, guys? Welcome back or to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing on the channel. The company that we're going to be doing the unboxing on is called Grille. I'm going to pop their logo and Instagram up on the screen right now. Grille is a big company that makes custom exhaust tips, hood stacks, even custom grills for any truck or car. And the cool thing about their products is they actually make theirs out of aluminum, which kind of separates them from every other exhaust company that uses steel. But let's go ahead without further ado and get into this video. Alright guys, here we go. We have the box from Grille with our 10-inch octagon tip in it. That thing is huge. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. So as you guys can see, we have the 10-inch octagon tip from Grille, all wrapped up nicely, packaged very nicely. And on top we have our band clamp with our set screws. And they even provided the bit for the set screws when you get your tip in place and you drill the holes to mount the tip, just for extra protection if the band clamp comes off. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our pocket knife and we're going to open this bad boy up. Band clamp. And now for the fun part. Here you have it, guys. It's our 10-inch octagon overlaid tip from Grille. So what's cool about this tip is it has multiple overlays on it where you can see where it's all bolted down, which is going to look really cool when I do the tip tuxedo black like my truck, and then I do the overlays illusion purple. It's really going to set the truck off and it's going to look really nice. But the multiple overlays that they do is really what sets this company apart. Ryan and everyone he has working over there at Grille do a tremendous job on making these tips really stand out. In my opinion, you really do get the quality in this tip that you pay for. The thing that really sets them apart is their tips are made out of aluminum, so they're made to go wherever. They're not like steel that these other companies make that'll rust and that'll just over time wear. These tips are made for basically any kind of terrain you're going to go in. And I mean, just by looking at it itself, you can tell that these tips are really nice and they are worth the money. I definitely want to give a huge shout out to Ryan and everybody he has at Grille. I want to thank them for sponsoring my build and for hooking me up with one of these amazing tips right before Daytona. I know he's in a crunch right now like everybody. Coming up this week in a next video, I'm going to have this baby powdered and you guys are going to get to see exactly how she looks on the truck. But shouts out to Ryan and them. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank you so much for getting this tip to me in time. So what I'm going to do for you guys right here is actually show you the exhaust tip that I have right now, which is a 6-inch compared to this 10-inch octagon tip, just to show you guys how massive this thing is. So as you guys can see right now, we have a 4-inch exhaust to a 6-inch tip. Not too big, just a decent size. Now let's compare it to our big boy. Oh yeah, that's definitely a big size difference. Definitely makes this 6-inch tip look really small. What do y'all think about mounting the tip right here from this angle? Maybe do a hood stack like someone else I know? I don't know, man. Go give Grille Tech a follow on Instagram. Go check out their page, see what Ryan and the guys are cooking up. They got a lot of cool stuff they're bringing to Daytona, and you guys are definitely going to want to see some cool stuff that they make. If you guys want to get an exhaust tip, go hit them up. You're definitely not going to be sad or misled. Their tips are worth it. They might be a little bit pricey, but they are definitely worth the money, and the quality is there. And I got one for my truck, and it's definitely going to set my truck off. So if you want to do the same, go hit them up. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap the video up here. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I know I've been slacking for the last couple of weeks on posting videos, but I promise you I'm back. I got a lot of content coming at you guys. Daytona is literally 7 days away from me recording this video right now. We still got to drop our tip off and some other parts off at Powder. So there definitely will be some videos coming out soon, and I am going to be at Daytona filming everything. My truck will be in the show, so come stop by and say what's up. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.